But what I got also when I bought this was I bought this pocket sharpener right here from Worksharp. And it's got, I'm not worried about messing this blade up right here because this is a piece of crap knife right here. And you know, stainless, it's probably from China. It does have a good spring assist on it, but it's got a diamond honer right here on the side, and it's already set up at 25 degrees. The thing that it said about this was that you might have to do several sections as you're coming down because the knife blade may be too long, so you might have to go like that and then come up here and go like that. But I found by using this knife ain't all that great. I found by using this that I'm able to keep my knife on me at work, and if it starts getting dull, which this one is pretty damn sharp, you just want to just go over it a few times with that ceramic. And like I say, it's already got the 25 degrees on there. So it's perfect for out in the field when you're, let's say you're deer hunting. I don't do that anymore. Wow, that's like razor sharp. Deer hunting or just working out like I do at work, and I have to use a knife every once in a while. This thing is perfect for just pulling out of your bag or your pocket or going, you know, grabbing it real quick. But if you're deer hunting and you need to keep an edge, or if you're any kind of hunting and you need to keep an edge on your knife, this right here, man, I'm really amazed at how small this is, but it's actually able to, you're able to carry it around really easy. Okay, I like that. This part right here, this diamond edge, is really aggressive. I'm probably not going to use that very often unless I'm cutting rocks and I have to do something with it. But as far as keeping your pocket knife sharp, it works really great. And then it's also got these fold outs here that you can, if you know, like say right here, if I needed to tighten this up, then look, it was already loose. I mean, I didn't have that in there good. It's magnetic. There, it's in there good now. This was loose, but I don't know if I just messed it up for the spring assist. I did. Yep. Yeah, I want a little looser than that. Look at me flipping my hand out when it's got a spring assist. I'm thinking of the old days. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it's got the tools you need here to be able to tighten or whatever. So it's even got a smaller one right here that should fit in this handle. Yeah, it does. So it's got a smaller one in there, even to fit in the handle to tighten that up if you need to. So I like that. The video description down below, and see where I'll leave a link where you can pick this up on Amazon. I want to thank you for watching, stopping by watching. Y'all have a good one now, and you come back.